something.
Oke. Terus kira-kira kalian pernah give opinion kalian nggak buat teman kalian?
Yes.
Biasanya about what?
Football club.
About
Outfit.
Oh my god. And how about love?
Kalau orang sudah jawab ini.
Okay, good. And then, have you ever been? No. How do you express your opinion in Indonesia? Kira-kira kalian gimana? Pakai kata-kata apa? Word apa?
I think.
Express your opinion.
Busa.
Ya, kalau in English gimana?
What do you
What do
think?
you think? What else?
Terus juga gini.
What do you think? And then
What's your opinion?
Okay. Kenapa sih kita belajar ini? Karena because after completing the lesson, student will able to understand and identify expression used to ask for opinions like what do you think, what's your opinion, and to express opinions like I think, in my opinion, and including agreement and disagreement. And then use appropriate linguistic elements like modal verb, think, believe, feel, and appropriate intonation and relevant vocabulary. And then practice simple oral and written dialects that reflect communication skills in expressing and responding to opinion politically, confidently, and meaningfully. The last is demonstrate critical, creative, and collaborative attitudes through discussion and presentation with a spirit of cooperation. Okay, next, please watch this video. But after you watch this video, I will give you some questions based on the video. Okay, are you ready?
Anna, what do you think about our lesson today?
I think it's interesting and easy.
Lucy, do you think that the dirty environment is good?
Atau balik.
I don't think so. Dirty environment can cause many problems.
What about you, Melanie?
Well, according to me, dirty environment is not good. It makes us uncomfortable. Mom, what do you think about my drawing?
It's absolutely beautiful, sweetie.
Do you think we can finish our homework today?
Yes, of course. Let's do it. Mom, this task is so hard. Do you have any idea? I think it's easier if you read the question first and then find the point in the passage. That's a good idea. Thanks, Mom. Sure. So guys, what do you think about my cat?
No doubt. It's too cute.
Yeah, it's so adorable. Hey, Rara, have you heard about the new rules in our school?
Yes,
What do you think?
I personally think that arriving at school before 6:30 is too early. We don't have time to have breakfast.
I don't think it's bad. We can wake up and go to school earlier.
Okay, so okay, what expression are used to ask for someone opinion?
What do you think?
What's
your opinion? How do you feel about? Do you agree with me?
Okay, so how should you respond when asked for your opinion?
I think, in my opinion, from my point of
is 1, 2, and 3 groups, okay? And classify the expression into the following categories, like asking for an opinion, giving an opinion, agreement, and disagreement. And then identify the sentence pattern used, grammatical structures. And then the last is discuss the appropriate situation for using each expression. And nanti salah satu atau perwakilan bisa maju ke depan untuk mempresentasikan hasil identify-nya. Okay?
Okay, nice.
Okay, I will give you the worksheet. Please identify.
Oh, betul, Kak. Wow.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hana. Nah.
Ayo, mana? Hana dan Dio. Dio sama ya?
Pertanyaannya bagus.
Pertanyaan bagus. Menarik nih. Good question.
Okay, I will give you 1 minute ya.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. Belum izin gak free. Sama-sama deh. Baik. What do you think about the new school continuing?
Any questions?
No, feel the couple of questions asking opinion. What do you think about the new school continuing? What is Anda giving opinion?
Miss, sorry, Miss. Why? Why should I do that? I'm not sure.
Nothing, what do you think I should be?
Ya
What do you school ini?
Yang second.
Ya, bro. Kan bukan gue yuk.
Okay, have we done class?
Yes.
Okay, so who will present your identify?
Group.
The first group is siapa? Isna, ayo. Yes, all the members. Miss Dimas, get on my miss. No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. What do you think about the new school uniform? I think the new uniform is more comfortable. I agree with you. It looks nice too. I disagree about the color too. Dark blue is a good point. In my opinion, we could suggest lighter colors to the school. Okay, now please sit down. Okay, we going to the next group, please. And bring your worksheet.
Undangan musik.
What you find in the identified expression?
What do you think about the blah 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 and giving opinion?
I think it's great.
Agreement? I agree with you.
And disagreement? I'm not sure about that. Okay, so where is the asking opinion from this slide? this dialect?
What do you think about?
Okay, and where is the giving opinion?
I think it's great.
Okay, good. Okay, and the last group is
Okay. What do you think? I think the new uniform is more comfortable. I agree with you. I disagree about the color shade. Dark blue is a bit boring.
okay, and how about next B? What you got?
What do you think is asking opinion?
Okay, and then
Giving opinion, I think. Agreement, I agree. Disagreement, I disagree.
okay, and last
In my opinion, is
giving.
giving opinion.
Okay, good.
Yay!
Okay, now I will explain about the definition of asking and giving opinion. So, expression of for asking and giving opinion is phrase used in conversation to ask others for their opinions and express one's own opinions in a communicative and polite manner. And the social function is facilitate interactive communication in English, specifically the ability to clearly express, agree with, and disagree with opinions in various everyday contexts. And the next is type of expression. Asking opinion apa itu, teman-teman?
Meminta pendapat.
Okay. For example, what do you think about? What's your opinion? And what do you think? And giving opinion, what is that? Memberi pendapat. Okay, and then agreement. What's agreement? Okay, and disagreement?
Tidak setuju.
Okay, and the fourth is language features atau kaidah kebahasaan, yaitu ada model verbs like think, believe, and feel. And then opinion sentence itu ada I think plus subject plus verb. And then intonation and expression in conversation. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau giving opinion or asking opinion itu kita harus memakai bahasa atau intonasi yang sesuai seperti itu. Kemudian conjunction, apa itu conjunction? For example, like however, but, because, and also. And then I will give you the types again. So in a group, student will write a short conversation with their seatmate. Use at least 3 types of expression: asking for an opinion, giving an opinion, agreement, and disagreement.
Okay.
Yeah, and then topics you can use is like school environment, technology, hobbies, or many things. Okay, I'll give you the worksheet. Yun ya. I'll give you 1 minute.
Yes.
Kalau makan nggak semuanya ngobrol.
Okay, time's up ya.
Yes.
Okay, so who will the first yang mau ini presentasikan?
Hai Wawa.
Okay, let's go. With expression ya.
Yes. Hi guys. Now we will talk about the use of social media.
Hannah, what do you think about Students using social media every day?
I think it's useful for communication and sharing information for us.
I agree. But sometimes it can be distracting during study time.
I disagree. If we use it wisely, it will not disturb our study.
But in my opinion, balance is the key. We should limit the time. Okay, give applause to me. Okay, next please. Okay.
Hi Samar, what do you think about joining extracurricular activities at school?
Hi Winter, in my opinion, they are important to improve our talent and teamwork.
I agree with you. Summer sport and
Summer I'm not sure about that. Some activities take too much time after class.
I think students should choose only the activities they really enjoy.
Okay, you go close please. Thank you.
Summer and Tipek.
And the last group is the last.
Garlic and onion. Garlic and onion.
Yeah, right. The topic is online learning versus face-to-face learning. First, what do you think about the online learning compared to face-to-face classes?
In my opinion, online learning is more flexible because we can study anywhere.
I agree with you. It saves time too.
I'm not sure about that. Sometimes it's harder to focus at home.
I think both methods have advantages, so maybe a combination is the best. It's a playboy.
Is that?
Okay, you go close Sit down. Okay, it's time to reflect and so. What we learned today? Asking and giving. And which expression were the easiest and hardest to remember?
Easiest, I think.
Okay, good. And how they plan to use those expressions in their daily lives? Very good. So, your great job today, class. You already know about giving opinion and asking opinion. And then, next, I will give you homework like usual. Okay. Okay, so the homework I will send in WhatsApp group ya. Okay, so thank you very much for today, and I hope we can meet in the next meeting. Thank you very much. Before we closing, let's say from the left together.
Our